Hi guys, welcome back to Yaya's Craft House. Today I'm going to show you how I built this miniature sectional. I started by tracing out the size of the back of the long part of the sectional, and then I traced the seat of the long part of the sectional. Then I covered them both with this blue material. I glued the long ends down, and then I could kind of stuff the stuffing in from the sides, and then I glued down the short ends. Then I took a needle and thread. I started from the back, went through the board and the material, and then back down and tied it in place. And then I did this a few times to make it look tufted. I did the same thing with the back, and then I glued them together. I repeated this on the other side of the sectional, and then I glued the two pieces together. So at this point the back was in pretty rough shape, so I took some material, I turned the edges under and glued it in place to give it a nice clean finish. Next, I measured and cut the base pieces and covered them with material before gluing them on. Then I traced out the arm pieces. I used 2 of the arm pieces for each side, and then I took a strip of the foam board and bent it so that it could curve around the edge, and then glued them together. Then I covered them with the material. I think it would probably be easier to cover them before you glue them together, but I didn't. I took a strip of the material and glued the edges down and then put it over the curved part just to kind of clean up the edges. Then I glued them onto the couch. I decided not to add legs. I like the way it looks without them. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up below and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you back here soon.